Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mehdi Hassan Midul, student ID 2413, best number 301. Today, I want like to talk about my hometown. My hometown is Borishal. Borishal is a well-known city in Bangladesh, and their call is Venice of Bangladesh. In Borishal, there is a lots of canals, rivers also. That's why it's called Venice of Bangladesh. And in Borishal, there are lots of famous person like Sher Banglaki Forzul Haq is a great leader of Bangladesh. Bishest to Captain Mohiuddin Jahangir also in freedom fighter, and there is a well-known actor Mosharraf Karim. He is also, and our CEO sirs, Saiful Islam is from Borishal, floating guava market, and there is a well-known mosque in Borishal. It's called Gotia Masjid, and there is a Trish Godown also. There is a well-known place in Borishal, and in Borishal people there are lots. They are so kind-hearted person and hard-working person in Borishal. The most famous food is vegetables, rice, and fish. In Borishal, the most favorite food is rice, vegetable, and fish. Also, there is a well-known beach is Kuakata, and this beach is one of the most largest beach in Bangladesh. That's all. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.